Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Neha, and today I'm so excited to share my Nykaa Pink Summer Sale haul. I grabbed 18 plus amazing products at jaw-dropping discounts, up to 16% off. And guess what? My bill was just rupees 8775. I know it's not just, but the actual bill was over 12,500. So comparatively, yeah. So yep, I literally saved thousands. And yeah, let's dive into these beauty styles with my honest reviews. So I started with this. These are the Nykaa Naturals Skin Secret Sheet Mask. I literally picked six of them. Like they were on a buy three get three offer. Like I did most of the shopping offline, like from the Nykaa store, and just bought some Foxtel products online, which you'll see further. So yeah, so I got each one for like rupees 60 instead of rupees 100. So what are we like this? So this is the rice water plus whitey sheet mask. Then lemon plus honey sheet mask. Then I got the gold sheet mask, like two, one for me and my mom. Then this one is the almond and the pearl plus hyaluronic acid sheet mask. So honestly, these are good for like a quick pamper session. So next, I went a little crazy with the colored liners. I picked four of the Maybelline Tattoo Play liquid eyeliners in the shade eye blue. Then one is the pink, then the white and dark blue. These are usually rupees 549 each, but I got uh this at rupees 411 each during the sale. Then for the eyes, I got this two mascaras and a kajal. So first one is this. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner plus Crayon Gel. So I got this for 4 rupees. I got this for 411 instead of rupees 549 again. And as you can see, I have applied it on my lower lash line. And the second one is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So this one is the super high product, and I finally got my hands on this at just rupees 599 instead of rupees 799. And lastly, the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara was rupees 999, but I got it for rupees 749. Like it gives good volume to the lashes and does not clump. So I have already used it today only. So I literally loved it. Let's talk lips and base now. Starting with this Maybelline Fit Me primer. This is the Matte This Poreless primer. It is usually for rupees 619, but I bought it for 402. And it is oil free and non comedogenic, which means that it doesn't clog the skin pores. And it is usually for girlies with normal to oily skin. And yeah, and it gives a super smooth canvas before the makeup. I got this Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation in the shade 228 for rupees 599 instead of 799. Instead of rupees, yeah, 799. And I have applied it today. Or it gives, like, it is lightweight and gives a subtle glow, as you can see. And it feels overall great on the skin. So I highly recommend this foundation. Then I picked this. This one is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It consists of hyaluronic acid. And again, I got it for rupees 599 instead of 799. And also I've applied it on my lips as well. As you can see, it is very lightweight and gives that juicy lips. So yeah. Also got this Maybelline's Phenyl Ink lipstick in the shade Wicked. It's usually for rupees 849, but I got it for rupees 636. Lastly, I got this. Just look at this. I mean, yeah, this is so pretty. So yeah, so this one is something new I got. This is the Acute Ointment, and this I got for rupees 750. Sorry, I got it for rupees 600 instead of rupees 750. And it is super lightweight, non-sticky, and it is good for daily use as well. Now this one wasn't on discount, but was too pretty to leave behind. This one is the Nykaa Stardust Duochrome Eyeliner in the shade Alta. It's for rupees 449. It shifts colors in the light. This one is so unique and perfect for glam reels maybe. And lastly, I placed an online order for a few skincare products from Foxtail, which is a trending brand right now. I got this niacinamide clarifying serum, which is usually uh, for rupees 645, but I got it for 597. Then this is the Foxtail AHA BHA exfoliating serum. This one is again for 545 without discount, but I got it for rupees 420. And lastly, these are the sunscreens. This one is the mattifying sunscreen and this one is the dewy finish sunscreen. And oh my god, guys, these sunscreens are a must-haves. I'm so in love with these sunscreens. So this both are with SPF 50, sorry, SPF 70 PA plus 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 plus. And this one, dewy finish sunscreen, the one tanning. And the mattifying sunscreen, it consists of, sorry, and the mattifying sunscreen, it prevents tanning and as well as brightens the skin. Usually these are for 1098, but I got these both at rupees 808. So honestly, these are the must-haves. So overall, I got all of this like the makeup, skincare, and some essential. Originally worth rupees 12,500 plus, but with the Nykaa being summer sale, I got it all for just rupees 8779. Saved over rupees 3700, I guess. So yeah, and that's it for my Nykaa Bing Summer Sale haul. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this haul, please like this video, subscribe for more, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. See you next time. Till then, take care and keep slaying. Bye.